So this is also a test run for the Telemetrics. So I'm testing out the Telemetrics feature on the GoPro in this video. So this idea is highly influenced from the movie Iron Man. Adding telemetrics to your videos. Hell yeah, why not? You see, I always wanted that Jarvis kind of look on the Motovlogs. And I thought it would be very difficult to collect all that data on the ride. But now I have finally found a way to do that. Red light. Wow. And that to 60 seconds. Bahut time hai bhai. So you ask, what is a telemetric? So it is a way to collect real-time information while on the move. I always wanted the Motovlogs to also display the details of the altitude, the speed, the distance. So these are free information that is available on the Motovlogs. Dude, we are late. It's green light. Let's bounce. Excuse me. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Alex and I make motovlogs that I give a shit about. So today is Saturday and what a lovely weather to shoot the motovlog. It's just very breezy out here right now. Signs of a good rain today. So I'm testing out the telemetrics feature on the GoPro in this video. If I'm able to capture all the telemetric data, you will see the overlays on the screen as of now. If not, this would be a failed attempt, I guess. We'll try it on the next motovlog. But I guess it should work. I'm recording the telemetrics on the GoPro as well as on the phone so that I do not lose it. Yellow by traffic. Shabash. We are going to Fatboy Customs. That is a custom house based in Gurgaon. I thought I had all the time in the world. Why not? Let's go. Okay, note to self. We have to make short motovlogs. Oh boy. Yeah. Uncle, side dena please. Thank you very much. So here is the scene. Telemetrics gives you all the information related to the speed, the altitude, the gravitational force, the map, the route, and many other information. I thought it would be very handy to use all that. Yellow bhai. I thought it would be very handy to use all that information in the motovlog. So if I go on a ride, if I go to very high altitude places, you will know what is the altitude and at what speed am I riding. So all that information will make the motovlog more informational. But here is the catch. The data collected from the telemetrics has to be first edited on the Motovlog basic footage and then put on Adobe Premiere to edit it again. It's one step further, but I think it will be worth it. I can just imagine how the telemetrics would look when I'll be riding on the mountains or the hills. It will give you all the data and it would look so classy, man. I would really want that. Just like the look of that artificial intelligence Jarvis in the movie Iron Man. Oh, I so love that look. But I don't think the information of speed will be very accurate because it's not recording from the wheels. It's recording from the GPS and the satellite. It won't give you that accurate speed measurement. But hey, something is better than nothing, right? So the one thing bad I can think of putting these overlays is it might make the screen look much more busy. It will have lots of information here and there and the focus of the viewer might shift. I don't know. You give me the review. Let me know if it is worth putting those overlays on the videos. I think we had to go that way. Oh, come on. Why ab U-turn ढूंढते ढूंढते ज़माना निकल जाएगा. Speaking of videos, thank you very much for subscribing to the videos, guys. It really makes me want to make more videos for future. So I will not use all the telemetrics available because it will just crowd the screen. I will just use a couple of them so that some basic information is provided on the screen for you guys. Oh, such a nice customization, dude. Pooja PG. This is some weird road construction, man. I was like just there. I just took that turn. I could have just come like this, but road rules. So I just found out this thing about telemetrics while I was just going through YouTube, and I was like, Eureka! Finally I have found it. I was so engaged in researching about it, and finally we got that. I hope the telemetrics make the video look a bit unique, and may it serve you with more information of the road and the place. So a quick Instagram update. We have just crossed caricature number 60. I provided the link down below. You can go and check out the Instagram channel. Let me know how the caricatures are going. Fatboy Customs. So guys, I think this is the end of today's motovlog. Thank you very much for tuning in to today's episode. I'll see you next time. Until then, ride safe and Godspeed.